Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to check your Yahoo Mail storage capacity on your computer. So make it sure to watch it until the end because I will also explain what happens if your storage is full. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first thing you need to do is sign in into your Yahoo Mail account. On the top right corner, click the gear icon. A side menu will open. Just scroll down in the menu and click More Settings. This will open the full Yahoo Mail settings panel. On the left side, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you will see your Yahoo Mail storage bar. So this shows exactly how much space is you're using and how much is left. If you're close to 1 terabyte limit, Yahoo may stop incoming emails until your deleted message. So delete large attachment or old emails. So that's it. Now you know how to check your Yahoo Mail storage on your computer and keep your inbox running smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.